Large quantities of debris are floating at various altitudes in space. Space exploration began in 1957, generating this intergalactic junk from more than 4,900 space launches and 200 orbital explosions. Suspended in galaxies are pieces of rockets, old satellites, and tools lost by astronauts, all colliding with each other to multiply the amount of junk. Today, there are some 23,000 objects larger than 10 centimeters long, around 500,000 between 1 and 10 centimeters, and more than 100 million smaller fragments. Sensors carried on space vehicles only tend to detect microdebris, but even damage from a small collision can be serious due to the very fast orbital speed of this debris at 10 kilometers per second. Debris of 1 millimeter, for example, contains the same kinetic energy as a typical metal bowls ball thrown at 100 kilometers per hour. Large debris, sometimes as big as a bus, is tracked and followed from Earth by radars and telescopes. It floats in low orbits used by the International Space Station, which has changed orbit more than 10 times to avoid collisions, and hundreds of Earth observation or telecommunication satellites. The ISS and these satellites are used for the internet, telephone communications, financial transactions, and navigation systems. All are at risk, and if a collision occurred, millions of dollars worth of equipment and contracts could disappear, as though into a black hole.